have a lot of like other classes, you know, like workshops and pitching sessions and the films. So every time you're improving yourself as a professional. Within classes, you get a new information. With the new information, you are like upgrading your knowledge.
I have been writing in TV series, and this is my first film. For me that is very important because I know a new filmmakers and a director, and for me it's very interesting that, and for the new working.
I'm better equipped to move out into the industry now. I met a lot of people here. I met some producers here. I made some wonderful friends. You know, your network sort of expands. So professionally, it's a really valuable asset going to workshops such as MFI.
In my case, it's more or less the same. I did amazing networking with another great directors and script writers to understand the way they write, the way they work. I mean, to understand their process. That helped me a lot. At the same time, I learned a lot about the script writings thanks to the feedbacks and the mentors.
I very much enjoyed reading other projects and discussing other projects.
Well, I learned a lot from just also monitoring how other people rewrote their projects and how everybody was treating the whole process.
For me, this was very enjoyable to get into the making of different projects and see how people work differently and develop work differently, and even teamwork is also quite different. And even the feedback from the script mentors and trainers is quite different. So this was very interesting and still is.
It was also good that I spoke with my tutor also about topics of how to stick to your ideas when the producer wants to change something, or how to try to make it more easily producible.
But actually it's very strange, it's very weird. I learned here all the structure of narrative storytelling. So helped me a lot in that, in my career. Even as a director, if you think about it, a script could be written in a way that the director already knows what to do on set. And it's very important coming to set with clear ideas, you know, quite clear ideas. So for me as well, not only the improvement of my project itself, but also for me was like an educational process, you know.
Made me more aware of things that are outside of the realm of writing, but more into movie making, and I also would love to put it on my CV that I was here.